Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change who can mention me to story to everyone on Imo HD. So let's get started. Firstly, open Imo HD app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on security and privacy. Then scroll until you find story. Next tap on it. After that, tap on mention. Then you can see the option of everyone. Tap on it. So this is how you can change who can mention me on story to everyone on Imo HD. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.